God. I hate school. School is making me boring and work hard and get those damn E's. Gosh, I better get to class right now.
Joy, why are you so late?
Um, 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 um. I just walking too slow without the bell rung.
Well, you shouldn't get to class on time or else you be tardy. No, get into the seat where you sit right now.
Ugh. Fine. I'll sit down.
Alright class. Now that we have 4 students in this class, we're doing science and we'll talk about elements. So, what you do is that.
God. That stupid idea was that I was able to get on fire, and what about that Viley Anderson that she got in trouble on that movie that she was causing on misbehaving? But now it's my chance to think of something way to get rid of school. Wait. I just have a good idea. I will summon the tornado and the tornado will destroy school. But first I will wait until it's lunch break, next I will escape school, and then I will summon tornado, and I will run away and going home. Man. I'm so genius.
Hey. What are you thinking, Joe? Are you trying to think something worse?
What? No. I was able to think like crazy man, but I'm now lying to you. It's not made it up by thinking, but I can still tell that you cool.
Oh. Thanks. So anyway, let's get to work. Alright guys. Now it's time for lunch break. So have fun with lunch break. And it except for you, Joe.
Ugh. I can't believe that he tried to suspend me. Now not for long. Now it's my chance to summon the tornado. But first I need to go outside. Now it's time to summon a tornado. Now I better get inside before the teacher captures me.
Okay class. Now that the lunch is over, it's for to do.
Attention everyone. Sorry for the interruption everyone, but there is the tornado inbound to Beyond City. Seek shelter now. This is not a drill. Everyone. Run for your lives and don't panic.
In the shelter now. This is the safe place. But don't panic. Everything is going to be okay.
Yes. My plan worked.
Everyone. Take cover and here we go.
Crap. I need to get out of here.
Hey. Joe, where are you going? It's not safe out there.
Well, I better sit down and watch TV.
Breaking news. We have a tornado that destroys school, and people are looking for the family members. So what we know is this. See this? That kid looks like 7-year-old boy with green shirt with cyan pants and brown shoes, and it must that he has the power of summoning the tornado outside. Then he goes inside. We are now showing on the video.
Oh 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 oh. Joe is about to get so much trouble. I better go get that piece of bull crap.
Well, that's one way to do that. Well, I'm pretty sure they are okay. But I better to get out of here before someone finds me. um, 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 Hello, mother.
Do you think I'm a fool? Now tell me the truth. Did you summon the tornado with your power, and destroy the school?
Um, 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 Yes, I did. I may just spawn the tornado to destroy school.
Oh, 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 Joe. How dare you summon the freaking tornado in school? Do you not know that how much that it will take to repair the school damage that you just did, young man? When we get home, you are grounded in 1, 6, 3, 6, 4, 9, 2, 0, 1, 4, 2, 6, 7, 3, 8, 2, 0, 4, 9, 2, 7 years. But first I will talk to your teacher about this. Oh look, Mr. Baldi has just arrived. Hey Mr. Baldi, can you please teach Joe a lesson that he summons the tornado and destroys school?
Sure thing, Miss Joe Mother. And as for you, Joe, I will suddenly beat you up with my ruler that you summons the tornado at school.
No, please. Don't kill me. I am just a lonely 7.
Oh, shut up, you little brat.
Thanks for beating that stupid Joe little brat, Mr. Baldi.
It's no problem. So now I'm gone.
Come on, Joe. Let's go home. Now go to your room right now, you little brat.